Guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the controller slash gamepad not working for Oblivion Remastered on PC. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is simply make your way over to the search bar and type in device manager. Once the device manager is open, what you want to do is you want to look for human interface devices, click on it, and from here you're going to look for your Xbox controller or PlayStation controller, whatever it is. But anyways, once you find it, you want to right click on it, and it will say Xbox controller. I'm just using a random one as an example because I don't actually have it connected. But anyways, go over to right click on it, hit properties, and then go over to driver. From driver, what you want to do is you want to simply hit disable device, and then once the device is disabled, you can go ahead and re-enable the device from here as well. Now once you do that, you can go ahead and hit OK, and then you can X out of the device manager. Now that should fix the error code. You can go ahead and launch Oblivion Remastered and everything should be good to go. Now the second method you guys can try doing is by going over to Steam, going over to Steam settings, and then from Steam settings make your way over to controller. And now you want to go ahead and enable Steam input for Xbox controllers and also disable Steam input for generic controllers. Now once you go ahead and do that, you guys can go ahead and X out of these Steam settings and then launch Oblivion as well, and everything should be good to go. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.